Hello everyone! I'm Belle from the Academy team. Welcome to today's session where we will explore the latest features in Merchant Portal and branded web updates. For Merchant Portal, we have added the ability to include the modifier master in the modifier preset, which simplifies the menu setup process. Additionally, we have enhanced the menu template feature by introducing Manage Modifier Master and Modifier Preset directly within the template, as well as the option to apply and edit ordering quantity limits. We have also added a return time feature to the returns report, making it easier for you to track and manage returns efficiently. On the CRM part, we have implemented several enhancements to streamline member management. The portal will now automatically fill in the country code when you search for members by phone, and you can easily exclude expired members when filtering your member list. Furthermore, you'll now have the ability to deduct accumulated points for your members directly from the portal, as well as to view their credit balance in the member purchase history section. And finally, we have also added a feature that allows you to see the redeem location of discount coupons directly within the portal. Moving on to the branded web updates, one notable addition is the option to display QR codes and secure passcode for members in the branded online store, providing an extra layer of security and convenience. We have also added the function to promote menu items with multiple images and video link, allowing you to showcase your offerings in a more engaging and visually attractive way. For our Hong Kong merchants, we have implemented a prompt alert system for liquor items, ensuring compliance with local regulation. Additionally, we have brought some features that were previously exclusive to the POS to the branded online store, such as show available items based on the menu tier and support restricted quantity per person. And finally, we have extended some features that were previously only available on the mobile version of the branded online store to the desktop version, including auto-selecting the next combo option, allowing users to log in by phone number, and enabling users to delete their branded online store login account directly from the desktop interface. Throughout this session, we will be diving deeper into each of these updates, demonstrating how they work and how they can benefit to your restaurant business. And now, without further ado, let's dive into the updates of the Merchant Portal. If you are specifically interested in the branded web updates, you can refer to the timestamp below to skip ahead to that section. The first update we have made for the portal enhancement is the inclusion of the modifier master in the modifier preset. So previously, you had to assign the modifier master to the modifiers one by one during the item setup process. However, with the latest update, you now have the ability to assign the modifier master to the modifiers directly within the modifier preset section. This means that you can streamline your menu setup by configuring modifier presets with predefined modifier master, saving you time and effort. Next, let's talk about the menu template feature update. Please take note that you will need a menu template license to access to this enhancement. With this update, you can now easily edit and manage your menu template. This includes setting the ordering quantity limit, assigning the modifier master, and configuring modifier presets directly within the template. While for the return report enhancement, we have added the return time in the Merchant Portal's return report. Now, you can easily track when your staff perform a void on a paid order. This information provides you with valuable insights into your operations and helps you better manage returns and refund. Alright, now, let's explore the enhancement we have made to our CRM module. If you have the Eats365 CRM license, these updates will automatically apply to your Merchant Portal. First, we have implemented an update that autofills the country code based on the region of your selected restaurant when searching for members by phone through the Merchant Portal. On the same page during searching, we have also introduced a checkbox that gives you the option to include or exclude expired customer from the search result. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where multiple customers share the same name. By deselecting this option, expired members will be excluded from the search result, providing you with a more relevant list. In addition to the existing function of adding accumulated points, you can now also deduct accumulated points for your members directly through the merchant portal. Simply navigate to the customer details section, click on the edit button, and select deduct from the rule name drop-down menu to deduct points as needed. Furthermore, we have enhanced the customer details section by adding an additional piece of information, which is your members' remaining credit value under the member credit activity. Last but not least, we have made an important addition to the merchant portal by including the redeem location in the discount voucher list. This enhancement is useful for business with multiple locations where customers can utilize the discount vouchers within different shops. Now, when you navigate to the discount voucher list that you have created, you will notice that we added a new column called Redeem Location. This column will tell you which shop your customer have used the vouchers and allows you to track the voucher redemption more effectively. Okay, now, let's shift our focus to the updates for the branded online store. First, let's explore a new setting that allows you to control whether your customer can view their QR code when they log into the branded online store using their mobile phone. Previously, after login, customers would see a section where they could access their QR code. This QR code allows you to retrieve their membership information from the POS or other system. However, if you prefer that customers do not have the access to their QR code, you can now have the option to disable this feature using the Merchant Portal 2.0. So, on the left panel, navigate to Modules and select Branded Online Store. Go to the Ordering Site settings and choose the restaurant link which you would like to disable this feature. Scroll to the bottom until you reach the Ordering section. Then, you will find the Show My QR Code setting here. Turn this off and click on Save to confirm the changes. And now, your customer will no longer see their QR code even if they had logged into the branded online store. Another setting that you can control is whether your customers can see the secure passcode setting in both the mobile and desktop version of your branded online store. When this setting is enabled, customers will have the access to the secure passcode setting under their profile in the branded online store. From there, they can enable and set their secure passcode, which is used during the order payment process when utilizing their member credit. The system will prompt them to input their secure passcode to complete the payment process. However, if you prefer that customers do not have the access to the secure passcode setting from their end, you can disable it using the Merchant Portal 2.0. So, similar to the Show My QR Code setting, you also need to navigate to your restaurant ordering site settings. Then, under the ordering section, you will find this Show Secure Passcode setting. Toggle off and click on Save to apply the changes. With this setting turned off, your customer will no longer see the settings section in their profile, and consequently, they won't be able to set up the secure passcode anymore. Alright, next, let's explore an exciting enhancement that allows you to promote your menu items with multiple images and video link on both mobile and desktop version of your branded online store. If you are looking to impress your customer by showcasing more than just one image of your menu items, you can easily set this up using the Merchant Portal. First, navigate to Menu Setup and click on Item. Select the item that you would like to add multiple images, and you will notice that there is a new section here called Item Details Page Media. Within this section, you can add up to 5 additional images and 1 YouTube video link. To add new media, simply click on Add New Media and choose either Image or YouTube Video. For image, provide a media title and upload the image from your device. Then, click on Save. While for YouTube Video, enter the media title and your YouTube video ID, then click on Save. And once you have finished uploading all the media like what I did, remember to save your changes, and that's about it. Now, when your customers are browsing your menu in the branded online store, they will notice that there is a new button allowing them to play the YouTube video if you have uploaded one earlier. Additionally, if you have added multiple images for a menu item, customers can simply click on the item to view more images, providing them with a more immersive ordering experience. Next, we will look into one important enhancement for the Hong Kong merchants. So, previously, when your customer is placing order for pickup or delivery order, our branded online store will prompt an alert when customer is ordering liquor item. And for this update, there is a setting for you to decide if you want to have the prompt alert when customers scan to order liquor item when they are dining in. To turn this on, you can go to your merchant portal. Under the restaurant setting, go to Dine In and click on Scan to Order. Scroll down and you will find a new setting here called Prompt Alert when place order with liquor items. Turn this on and click on Save to apply the changes. And now, as long as your item tagged under the liquor product type, whenever your customer orders such item through Scan to Order, they will see the alert before proceeding with their order. Alright, the next update we are going to discuss is the new feature recently added in the POS version 2.58, known as Menu Tier. We have now integrated this functionality into our branded online store. If you are wondering what is the use case for this feature and how to set it up, I recommend you to refer to our 34.3.4 POS update video for detailed information. And once you have set up the menu tier, here's what happened. When sitting your customer at the table without enforcing the same menu tier for the table, they will see all the tiers offered on the menu. However, if you enforce the same tiers such as Tier 1 on the POS, they will only see the Tier 1 menu items on the branded online store. With this, you can ensure that all the customers on the same table are ordering from the same menu tier. The following update is another feature introduced in the POS version 2.58, the new ordering quantity limit rule or restricted quantity per person. If you would like to understand more about how this feature works, feel free to refer to our 24.3.4 POS update video. Then, once you have set up the ordering quantity limit in your merchant portal, it will automatically reflect on the branded online store as well. For example, let's say you have set up the ordering restriction as 1 kid set per kid and 1 adult set per adult in your portal. Now, if there are 2 adults and 1 kid at your table, when you try to place an order for 1 adult set, the system will remind that you will need to select 2 adult sets since there are 2 adults at the table. So, you will need to select another adult set, such as the Tier 1 mid set. Then, you will select a kid set as well, since there is also a kid at the table. However, if you try to place another order for the kid set, the system will stop you because the ordering quantity limit has been reached. The last update I have for you is regarding the features that were previously available on the mobile version of the branded web, but they are now supported on the desktop version as well. If you have enabled the Auto Select Next Combo option setting under the branded online store setting in your merchant portal 2.0, whenever your customer is placing an order for the combo item from either the mobile or the desktop version of the branded online store, once they have fulfilled the requirements of the first combo option, it will automatically jump to the next combo option. Additionally, your customer can now log into their desktop version branded online store using the phone number or the email address as well. Furthermore, if they wish to delete their login account, they can now do so by using the desktop version in addition to the mobile version. Alright, with that, we have covered all the highlights in this portal and branded web update. If you found that the features we have discussed just now are relevant to your restaurant, feel free to follow our guidance in this video to set them up. Okay, so that will be all for our session today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon in the next update. Goodbye, and have a great day ahead.